Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Roofstock Onboarding for investor onboarding tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in www.roofstock.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Roofstock homepage. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. After confirming that all details are correct, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Roofstock dashboard. On the dashboard, find and select the Onboarding tab. This will take you to the Investor Onboarding section. Here, you can view and complete all necessary onboarding tasks. Follow the prompts and complete each task as instructed. Make sure to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any information. Once all tasks are completed, look for the confirmation message. You have now successfully logged in and navigated through the onboarding process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.